nothing special. I don't want y'all to get too excited. You know what happened? It's no, for real. I had went down to the Publix, see what they had on sale, and I just made a little piece of salad. That's it. It's just a salad. It's nothing special. But what I like on my salad, I don't know if you like on yours, and I feel like every salad should have fried chicken. So I fried a little chicken to put on the salad. That's what she did, right? And then I was like, I got to make the dressing. You see what I'm saying? So I made a Hennessy balsamic salad dressing on top of the salad. So if you could do me a favor and make some room in the middle of the table, we'll bring it out to you, okay? Okay, let me tell you about what's next, all right? It's nothing special, so I don't want you to get too excited. You know what happened? No, for real, I swear, I was in 85, and I had rode past the Publix, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go. No, I went to Publix last time, that's what I said? Yeah. It was Kroger. Okay. Because I wanted a piece of cake, and I wanted a piece of that sour cream cake they got at Kroger, so I stopped in there. And let me tell you what I did. I just made a little piece. Wait, who's the person? There's a no bacon person here. No pork.
Oh, it's me too.
1 pork, 1, 2, 3, 4 porks. Okay, good. Okay. It's nothing special. I just made a little piece of mac and cheese, right? But I was like, if I'm gonna make mac and cheese, I should probably put shrimp and bacon in the mac and cheese. So that's what I did. I made shrimp and bacon mac and cheese. And then for the no pork people, I got regular Diaon. Okay? So do me a favor, we're gonna make some room in the middle of the table, and then we're gonna bring it out to you, okay?
Okay.
Y'all ready for the next course?
Yes.
Okay, it's nothing special. You know what happened? Is I was on 285 in Sandy Springs, and I had seen a Trader Joe's. And I said, I should probably stop over here and see what they got on sale. I don't really go there a lot, so I looked up. So, you been there too, huh? Okay, we get excited. So here's what happened. It's nothing special, okay? I just decided to put a little piece of smoked turkey in the pot and make a broth, make a little pot liquor, and then braise some collard greens in the pot liquor with a little piece of cabbage, because I like collard greens with my cabbage. And a lot of pot liquor with the smoked turkey running throughout there. That's it, right? Yeah. But I feel like if you're going to have that, you got to have a little piece of honey butter cornbread to go with it. So I just made a little bit of that. It's nothing, you know. And then, I don't know where y'all from, but when I was growing up on the in the refrigerator, when my grandma used to make collard greens, she used to have this little jar of this like pickly stuff that she used to have. Yeah, she got a little chow chow. Y'all know what that is? I was in Seattle, they was like, what?
What's chow chow?
You don't know what it is? Where you from?
New York.
That's
that's why.
That explains it. That explains it all. But you know what a slice is?
Yes.
Yeah, that explains it all. It's a southern condiment that all southern people have when they eat cookies. So everybody grandmama had. Okay. Yeah. So I made a little chow chow for you, but what happened was I made it with watermelon. Yes. Okay, so a little watermelon chow chow, okay? So we're gonna bring it out and then we're gonna switch out the plates on this one after this one, okay? All right, here it comes. mayonnaise were okay? You know how they got them, that was glory green. Y'all put the chow on the collard greens? They sell it in a jar. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all still hungry? Yes. Okay, this is nothing special. You know what had happened? I was on 75 by Kennesaw, and I had passed the order. I said, I'll probably just stop over here and see what they had. So they had some potatoes. So all I did was made a little garlic potato puree. I fried a little buttery fried catfish on top with a little lemon cream sauce to go right on top of it. It's not even that. It's not even a big deal. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little. That's it. Okay. So make a little room, and we're gonna go bring it out to you. Okay. All right. Okay, you know what I had did?
Ain't no more store, that's it.
I was at the DeKalb County Farm. And they, you know, they have mascarpone cheese on sale, so I had bought some of them. And I put the mascarpone cheese in the grits. And then I just made a little tomato gravy, and I just roasted a few pieces of shrimp. So I just got a little shrimp and grits that we're gonna bring out. So nothing special, a little something, just throw together, all right? Don't get too excited, all right? Whole Foods. All right. So this has sort of been sort of for me like a trip down like a memory lane. These are all like variations of dishes that my grandmother would make pretty much like any given weekday. We would have these types of meals, including collard greens on like a weekday with a pan of cornbread. So what I wanted to do was continue with that, but in a little bit of a variation. One of my favorite meals, it don't look pretty at all, but man, the flavor is amazing, was smothered cube steak. With the pepper and onion gravy. It was really good. So I made that for you. And instead of like just a regular white rice, because that works too, I did a little dirty rice that I made with some turkey sausage.
Wow.
So,
come here so I can play.
No. This is what I had did. I ain't going nowhere. I made it myself this time. I just feel like if you're gonna have like, you know, the soul food situation, you need a little something to remind you of like soul food. So I just made a little cupcake. That's it. But it's a peach cobbler cupcake that I made with real peach cobbler filling on the inside. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. I put them out in the kitchen because you can help yourself to them, and then you can get your Tupperware and anything you see on the tables or in the kitchen, whatever you want. You can go and you can help yourself to that. Thank you. Help yourself.
Thank you.